it's Alexandra here at Leisure RV Center at DFW. We are a dealership powered by VOD RV, and today I am going to show you around a 2026 Storyteller Crew Mode XL, and I'm super excited about this. If you have been asking yourself, I want a coach that is going to be able to take the family, take a lot of gear, and still camp comfortably, I want you to stay with me as we go through this video because you are going to want to see this. So let's get started. All right, so starting on, we are a 170 chassis. So we are built on the 3500 XD frame, and that is going to be still with the Mercedes 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine in there. All-wheel drive, mind you that. So we still get our comfortable aspects of it. We are a dually in the back. Now you can change this into a super single down the line whenever you purchase it, but from the factory, it's gonna come in as a dually. Here, this is going to be the stone gray finish. So we are a nice little light tan with our black decals. The really fun thing about the crew mode is going to be what's up top and what you're seeing. It is a pop top with the hard walls. So this is going to be better for installation purposes, really comfortable up there. It is AC'd, and we'll show you that once when we get up there. But this is going to be a true family style RV adventure van. Everybody comes along with you. I'm going to show you the 3 zones that are going to be inside of the crew mode, and it's really great engineering that they had done to be able to create this motorhome. Now, this is one of the first 170s and pop tops that Storyteller has done. They're traditionally known for their 144 mode models. And then of course they have the trucks, the Hilton, the Epic. Can't beat those. So let's step on inside and I'll show you around. So Storyteller's really main focus is on durability because they know where you're going to be taking these vans. They utilize their vans to make sure that there are things in here that you really need along those adventures and maybe some things that we don't. But this system right here is one of the coolest that I'm going to show you in this van. I mean, everything is super cool about the crew mode. It is, I don't know, it's pretty awesome. But here we have the van solo. So this seat is on L tracks and it can be removed. So when you get to your destination, to kind of amplify the space in here, we can take this out and use it as one of our camp chairs. Or we can keep it in here, or maybe we don't need the 5th seat for that travel, so we can take this and leave it at home. So that's really cool on that aspect. So then we have our 2 double seats, the Cosmic Shift. They do, this side here is going to slide out. There are some cup holders down below, but the really cool aspect of this is if we don't have this seat, so say the seat is at home, we left it for that trip, this will rotate. So then we're facing outside into our campsite, into wherever we are, and it's really cool. There's a little lever down below. I'm going to show you real quick on how they shift. Voila! All right, you'll see the cutout right up here above me. That is going to get us into our Lunar Loft, but I'll show you that here in a bit. We're going to make it through the bottom part first. Here we have a fully functional kitchenette or galley area. Nice little extender for our countertop. And this also goes to show what I'm going to show you in the Troupe Lounge, where you can have additional countertop. And I'll show you because if you are doing kind of a buffet style or making tacos, hamburgers, whatever, you can set everything out and kind of have a little revolving door, so to say. Someone come in, make it down the line, back out and enjoy their meal. Right behind me, we are going to have our fridge. This is a really cool aspect because not only can we open it from this side, but we can also open it from this side. So whether you were sitting up here, working, eating, whatever, needed a little drink, snack, pull from the fridge on this side, or if you're coming from your Troupe Lounge area and wanting something, you can open it on this side. Then of course we have our ice box for our Jimmy Dean sandwiches. We can never forget about those. Another really cool thing about this fridge is if you ever need to clean it and want to do like a little deeper of a clean, both doors can pop, or both areas can pop off, and then now you have easier access into cleaning. Because that's always fun. We always like to clean. Up top we have our microwave, air fryer, convection, can bake in here, do all of the stuffs that we may need, like warming up our Jimmy Dean sandwiches. Y'all are gonna get tired of me saying that, but I really do love them, and everybody asks how many I eat a week, and it's, you know, every day, 7 days a week, maybe a few extra. Then we do have some drawers down, a drawer down below, pretty of decent size in here, and then some drawers and cabinets down on our galley area. Now, once when we come in here, I'm going to show you a really cool feature that I love. Actually, there's two really cool features that I love that are within our galley area. So yeah, they're really cool. So come on. So I mentioned that I have two little favorite things that are within our kitchen area that are items you necessarily could need here, especially one of them to get into the bed. So they hide their little step right into a cabinet, and then it just comes down. Like, the engineering in this thing is unbelievable. They've really thought through everything without also taking up space. Here in this lower cabinet, we have trash can space. Woo. Sorry, it's really loud. But we have trash cans. Like, that's, you're always trying to find a spot to put a trash can, whether it's, you know, on the headrest or outside, but they come with it. And you even have a second one for recycling if we wanted to do that. Absolutely. So those are my two little, and you may think, Alex, how are those your favorite things? Well, because it's just so thoughtful. They put thought into making their van. But we can see here that we have a very beautiful counter space. We have a sink cover that will act as additional counter space unless we need to use our sink. Then that will come off. And then we have our collapsible faucet head. Look how nice and beautiful that is. I am a sucker for black finishes. Can you tell? In our galley area, we do have our Storyteller screen. Now, you'll see in a lot of videos, they talk about marine grade things. And these are items that would go in very expensive yachts. I like to call these yachts for land. I'm sure that there's another name for it or actual term for it, but for now, these are my land yachts. So in here, you're going to be able to control everything. As you know, your home screen, see your tanks, see your batteries, what you're pulling out, what you're putting in, your climate, everything on here, lights, which are dimmable, super cool, or you can get it into the night, which would turn it red. You can control the lights down here, the AC down here, all of that, but you can also control it from up top, and I'll show you just how. But I like this because it gives you a nice reading into what's going on. My also favorite little tidbit to their HVAC system is going to be when you do have that on, you have a magic climate mode. Now, Alex, what is that magic climate mode? I am so glad you asked. So this is going to do what our homes do in a sense. So if you are, let's take the desert, really hot during the days, but we're gonna have cooler nights. I mean, that's even here in Texas. You are going to set that. And so once when it hits, I believe it's around 66 degrees and lower, it's going to automatically turn on your heat. So then you are staying comfortable throughout the night without you having to do anything. Isn't that awesome? They thought it through. Up here, we do have our little paper towel holder, and I love this aspect, and I know I love a lot of things, but how can you not in a market like this? But I do love this aspect. Everything is magnet back here. So if you wanted more of these little hooks, or you wanted to add in additional magnets, you can do just that. And that's what makes it so versatile in this coach. Right on the other side of our kitchen area is going to be our boom box, because of course we would like to have a bathroom in our van. Not necessary if we are out there in our big adventures, but it is nice to have just on those nice occasions. So there is 37 gallons of fresh water on this coach, or at least a tank that can hold that much. 24 gallons of gray, and then we do have the flushable cassette toilet that's going to be right behind these beautiful doors, and that will hold up to 5 gallons of that stuff. But really, really awesome, great size. I'm able to stand in it. Now, I'm only 5'6" when I'm not wearing heels. I'm not wearing heels today, so I can't actually show you guys, but I still do have head space whenever I am in it, in my heels. So let's scoot back just a little bit further, and I'm going to show you all the Troupe Lounge and all the amazing things that it can do. So we have made it back here to what you guys have been hearing is called the Troupe Lounge. So this is the area where during the day is a whole bunch of seating. So if we have the party here at our van, we're going to have seating for everybody. This is one of the second areas that they have created. So up front with our Cosmic Shift, which our van solo, that's going to be one area. This will be two, and then up in the Lunar Loft, you guessed it, will be 3. So this area by day is going to be some nice seating, can be counter space, and I'm going to show you that here in just a second. And then we'll also turn into your bed. So what I like is just the engineering again. I'm going to talk about it so much, but how versatile they made this area, because you can have this as a twin bed and say you're really somewhere nice on a beach, wherever, have your doors open and you want to be able to sit down, not really lay in bed. Well, then, okay, you have that option. Or vice versa. If we wanted to do our twin bed here and then have seating here, we can do that. Or we can just make this all into one big king. You can't do it wrong. That's the thing. I do love the fact that they have our windows back here, and we do have the flares for that extra space for our taller folks who are wanting to have space to sleep. And then also you can open those. They're going to be sliding windows so you can get that nice cross breeze wherever we are. So let me show you just real quick how you can put up extra counter space or just the start of doing your bed. So your cushions will all be moved around for a split second. Now, I do this one at a time because I only have 2 hands, but you're going to lift up this portion of the backrest, and then you do have supports right underneath that will just pop out. And voila. And then our other side. So again, if you guys are out and we wanted a buffet style type of situation for eating tacos, burgers, whichever, set everything out and then make down the line, and then out we go. Now, let me put this together real quick to give you your bed. Ta-da! So this is going to make out into your king bed. Again, you can just have it as a twin if you just wanted a little bit of space, if it's just you that's traveling around. These seats are going to have hard backings to them, so you'll feel them. They are going to be your support with making this middle portion. I mean, this is a lot of space. You could just, I'm telling you, so much room. Look, you truly have so much space in this van. I cannot express this enough. I'm sitting currently underneath our bed, so if we have little ones that just, maybe we don't get along, because I know for me and my sister, it took us a while to get along, but hopefully that's not the case on your side. You can have a nice tent or clubhouse or something that's underneath here. You can also, kids aside, if we don't have them, store so many things. Right down below we have our Galaxy gear tray. This comes all the way out, so if we are hunters, great to hide our guns. If we are fishers, great to put our poles. If we are bikers, great to put our bikes on. And then this does extend out a lot further. But just it offers the space to put your gear, to put anything that you want to bring along with you without taking up a lot of the space inside. You do have our lid here that will open up. So look at that. How cool. They have truly thought about everything. And I cannot scream that from the rooftops any louder. Do you agree? You got the password? No? Sorry, no entry. All right, y'all, welcome to my crib. This is the Lunar Loft. I have been dying to show you guys this the whole entire video because this is my clubhouse. Obviously, we got the password, so we were able to come back up. So in the Lunar Loft, we are featuring a queen-ish size bed. I'm gonna say a little bit bigger than a full, a little bit smaller than a queen, but it's comfortable. We have climate control in here. So these are hard walls. These are going to keep you insulated for whichever climate we are in and what we are trying to do in here. You'll see these long structural tubes, I'm going to call them, with some holes. That's going to do your AC. So that actually connects to the AC in the coach. With their engineering, they were able to not allow it to, I guess, mess up in a sense with the return. So this is all, I mean, they put true thought in this. They've gone through many testings through their R&D, which is why it took it so long to actually come out and be here on dealers' lots, that and a whole bunch of pre-sales. But no matter that, now in here, so if we wanted the kids to have their own space, have their own hangout area, this is it. Like, this is very comfortable. We even have real windows in here. So true windows, they don't open. However, if we just unzipped this nice little triangular areas back here, we can open those. So if we wanted a good spot, say we're hog hunting, and we wanted to get up somewhere a little bit higher, this is gonna be it if we weren't in a blind or anything of that sort. This is the coach that's going to get you anywhere and everywhere and do what you want to do. Fishing, hunting, camping, wherever. This is it, and you are going to love it. Now, right here, we're going to see this little area. This is our control screen. So up here controls our climate, controls our lights, controls the tent. So in the tent mode, it is going to do power speeds for our vent fan that's right behind you. So I really want you guys to come and take a look at this. I truly am happy to be able to have this here on our lot to show off and for customers to come and see, because I just know how difficult, if we weren't going to a show, it was to see this. So come see what I am talking about, okay? I'll see you soon. Let's also talk about a little specs here. So we have 16.8 kilowatts of Lithionics power in here. That's lithium batteries that are going to be running your AC, going to be running your microwave, fridge, all of that you can do. And for a good couple of hours, I mean, depending on where you are and how hot we need to run this AC, you're looking at about 10 to 15 hours. If we're up somewhere cooler, you're gonna elongate that. Keep in mind, you are also charging as you're driving the coach. So that second alternator that they put in place will help recharge your batteries. That's roughly about 2.5 hours on highway speed to charge it from completely dead all the way up to full. That is truly amazing, especially if we are just bouncing around to different spots throughout the day or even throughout the week. You can truly be off grid. We have 3 sources of charging your batteries, which is going to be driving as one, being plugged into your 30 amp shore cord with the smart plug, or our 340 watts rated solar panels that are going to be right up top of your Lunar Loft. So super cool. I really love it. You guys will too. You just have to come down here and check it out. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video today. Please leave a comment down below, because I want to know what your favorite thing is of the Storyteller Crew Mode. Like and subscribe, and we will have some more videos down the line, so stay tuned. See you soon.